Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews Best 3D Printers in the World 7 Top Picks for 2025. Looking for the best 3D printers in 2025? In this video, we highlight the top 7 models worldwide, covering performance, features, price, and innovation. From professional-grade machines to budget-friendly picks, these printers are changing the future of design, manufacturing, and creativity. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll find the right option for your needs. 1. Bambu Lab A1 Combo. Best overall for beginners and speed demons. At $559, often $479 on sale, the A1 Combo redefines accessibility with its Core XY motion system hitting 500 mm per second speeds and a 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume. It supports multicolor printing via the AMS Light unit, up to 4 filaments, producing vibrant, detailed models like cosplay props or functional gadgets with minimal stringing. Setup takes under 20 minutes, and full auto-calibration eliminates tinkering. CNET and Tom's Hardware praise its excellent detail and quiet operation is less than or equal to 48 decibels, though proprietary software limits advanced tweaks. Ideal for new users, Reddit threads call it the appliance everyone wanted. 2. Creality K2 Plus. Best for large, multicolor projects. Creality's $1,499 flagship dominates with a massive 350 by 350 by 350 mm volume, perfect for life-size helmets or drone parts, and 600 mm per second bursts via its next-gen direct drive extruder. The CFS system enables seamless 4-color prints, while dual AI cameras monitor for failures. Tom's Hardware dubs it the Speedy Color King of 2025, with 30,000 mm per square second acceleration yielding overhangs and bridges that outshine rivals. Full auto leveling and app control make it hassle-free, but it's bulky, fits workshops, not desks. Users on Amazon, 4.75 from 12K plus reviews, love its engineering-grade filament support, like carbon fiber. 3. Prusa Core One. Best for tinkerers and reliability. Prusa's $1,200 Core One, kit or assembled, is a tinkerer's dream, blending Core XY precision with modular upgrades for longevity. It reaches 300 mm per second, prints in engineering filaments like ABS, and boasts a 250 by 220 by 270 mm volume. Wirecutter and PCMag highlight its incredible accuracy and open-source ecosystem, with community mods extending its life for years. No enclosure means it's open frame for easy access, but add one for warp-prone materials. Reddit enthusiasts prefer it over Bambu for full control, earning 4.85 on Prusa's site. 4. Anycubic S1. Best budget all-rounder. For $399, the S1 punches above its weight, mimicking the Bambu P1S with 500 mm per second speeds, a 250 by 250 by 250 mm enclosed chamber, and clog-free extruder. CNET's top budget pick for 2025, it excels in functional prints like tools or enclosures, with auto-leveling and vibration compensation reducing failures. Resin? No, but it handles PLA, PETG flawlessly. Minor stringing in tests, but at this price, 4.65 on Amazon from 8K reviews, it's unbeatable for apartments or schools. Tom's Guide notes its dust-resistant design. 5. Elegoo Centauri Carbon. Best value speedster. Elegoo's $299 Centauri Carbon is a Core XY beast, clocking 500 mm per second with 20,000 mm per square second acceleration in a compact 256 by 256 by 256 mm frame. Built-in camera and auto-calibration make it out-of-the-box ready for Tom's hardware, ideal for miniatures or prototypes. It shines in overhangs and bridges, with quiet fans for home use. Drawback: no multicolor native support, add-ons available. Amazon bestseller with 4.75 ratings. Reddit users rave about its precision at poverty prices. 6. Anycubic Photon M7 Max. Best resin for detailed miniatures. Resin printing demands precision, and this $1,000 behemoth delivers with a 14K 10.1 inches LCD, 170 mm/h speeds, and 298 by 164 by 300 mm VAT. Largest in class for batch printing figurines or jewelry. PCMag's mainstream resin champ features cob light source for sharp details and dynamic vat heating to prevent curing fails. Messy post-processing, but results are jaw-dropping, says All3DP. Wi-Fi transfer and auto-leveling ease workflow. 4.65 on Amazon from 5K plus users. 7. Bambu Lab H2D. Best premium multi-tool for pros. At $3,799, the H2D Pro isn't just a printer. It's a 4-in-1 workstation with 600 mm/s FDM, laser engraving, cutting, and plotting on a 300 by 300 by 300 mm bed. TechRadar's top overall for 2025, it handles high-temp dual materials, up to 350 degrees Celsius, for industrial prototypes. Enclosed, AI-monitored, and app-integrated, it's enterprise-ready yet consumer-friendly. Minor quirk: steep learning for non-print functions. Reviews hail its versatility revolution. In 2025, FDM dominates for versatility, but resin edges out for finesse. Start with Bambu or Anycubic for ease, scale to Prusa or Creality for power. Factor in filament costs, $20 per kilogram, and ventilation. These picks represent the pinnacle, blending innovation with reliability to turn ideas into reality. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.